Well, a most astonishing thing happened in the global currency markets last week, and that was that the US Treasury, under Secretary Scott Bessent, that Wall Street man, America intervened in the Japanese yen currency market, and it bought Japanese yen by synchronizing its purchases along with the Bank of Japan. Yani currency traders, hedge funds, currency speculators को इतना strong message गया कि the Japanese government as well as the American government are simultaneously protecting the value of the Japanese yen, the JPY, which has been under stress. It has been losing value against the euro, especially. It is losing a lot of value, and it is fomenting inflation in Japan. Imports are being expensive, and we all know that Japan imports a lot of its food as well as oil and basic lot of commodities. That being the case, import-led inflation, the rise in the yield in Japanese bonds, the rise in inflation, currency defense, the classical defense of raising interest rates in Japan would in turn reverse the carry trade which Japan is known for. It would also stop the export of Japanese hard currency to buy American treasuries. Higher interest yields in Japan would have kept money within Japan itself. This would have reduced the market. Of course, we all know that Japan has one of the biggest holdings of US Treasuries. Americans के जो $38 trillion debt है, वो debt ज़्यादातर financed by the big guys like Japan and China and Taiwan, and taking Japanese carry trade out of that equation would have further spiked American bond yields. We all know that American 30-year bonds are now trading above 5% interest rate, which has further raised to finance the interest on that deficit itself. America is running up even bigger deficits. ये सब के चलते currency speculators का हाथ weak करने to show that both these big treasuries are defending the yen. This was a big act, but कुछ देर तक market cool off हुआ. Japanese yen के against speculators ने strike नहीं किया, but everyone is reading between the lines. Why? Why are two big governments trying to defend the yen? Are they actually internally weak about their respective currencies? Are they respectively weak about their bonds yield shooting up?